Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In this video, we will unbox and review the Care Bear Box April 2019 edition. If you're an old subscriber of mine, you already know that this is a period subscription box which sends in your period essentials along with some pamper stuff, some eatables and some things that will keep you occupied with their activities. Now this month they have a new website and I do have a special discount code which I'll be sharing with you all towards the end of this video. So stay tuned till the end. Now let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the package has reached me. So this is how the box looks like. It says Care Bear Box, unbox the joy, pamper yourself period. It's the same kind of box with the crisscross pattern that we get every month. And once we open, there is a nice thank you card. It says we hope you enjoy the purchase. And here is a note from the curator's desk. It says dear Sonam, and the new change this time is they have added plenty of online fun activities and links which will be shared by email and WhatsApp once you order. So they do have this coloring activity which is an offline activity which you can do here, but there are a lot of other online activities which will keep you occupied for a long time. So that is definitely a good improvement. I'm definitely looking forward to the activities. And this is the coloring part. It is having the Game of Thrones theme because the finale is coming up very soon. The teaser just released yesterday, and this is a feedback form for the Care Bear box. They also have the WhatsApp number mentioned. Now look at how beautiful the packaging is done. It definitely looks very pretty just as it is. And here are all the products, so let's go through them one by one. So first of all, for the activity, the coloring part, they have sent this 12 watercolor pens, a complete set of sketch pens, and I already received something like this before and I actually use it very frequently because I'm someone who uses colored pens for planning, for habit tracking and everything. So this is very useful for me apart from coloring as well. Then these are the packets for each day with the pads in it, and these are the packet of goodies or your food items or your pamper items. So here are the different packs for each day. It is marked with day 1 to day 5. The website address is also mentioned here, carebear.in. In case you're new to my channel, I'll just tell you all about them very quickly. First of all, you can choose the pads, the brands that you want to use. They have all good brands, Whisper, Stay Free, all the brands that are available in markets, and they have all their different varieties. The panty liners for light flows to the heavy night flow pads like for really long hours. They have all the options. You can choose whatever you like, and every pad comes in a separate pouch like this. The pad is there, and this is a biodegradable pouch in a cloth kind of material, so that's environmental friendly and you can throw it nicely. And then each one has this single sachet of hand sanitizer as well, so they take care of your personal hygiene as well. So that is how they pack each one of these boxes of pads for each day, and this is very travel friendly as well. If you're going to office or college, you can just pick it up and get going. Now let's see what's written on every box. It's always fun. So first one here says, someday I will solve my problem with critical thinking, but today it will be with chocolate. And these are the products you have in the first day Pamper Me. You have a ginger tea which is good for cramps. Then you have Nestle Munch Crunch or Knots for chocolate cravings, then some lollipops again for the sweet cravings. Then this is the day 2. It says, I read this article that said the typical symptoms of periods are eating chocolates, cakes, tea on the bed. Are they kidding? It's my idea of perfect periods. That's so true. Like, we all do this, right? Because we are not well, we do binge eat and do a lot of junk food eating. But with Care Bear, you're actually eating healthier. They do send good eatables which are actually good for your body and very thoughtfully curated, so that's good. Here we have chamomile tea, some chocolates, one cookie cake and some hajmola that will help in bloating. So that's what I said, it's very thoughtfully curated. Moving to day 3, it says skills you could put up on your resume by now, and here are all the things that is so difficult to do during periods, and if you're able to do this, you should put it on your resume. So here we have a green coffee and a cookie by Cadbury. Coming to day 4, we have the winter is here and I'm happy thing written because Game of Thrones is here. And then summer is here and I'm happy is also written because in summertime you do have lesser level of pain, blood flow and duration for your periods. So we are happy for both. And then this is the recovery time day, and you have tea lover or coffee lover. So you can choose between tea or coffee, and then you have a granola bar. And finally, the day 5, you're happy and relaxed. You don't have much flow and it's almost over. And here it says the party time. So you have fantasy chocolate milkshake, Hershey's syrup and dark fantasy, and khakras by Dadis for your spicy tongue. So one more thing I wanted to show, which I just now discovered. Activities are actually written here. Here it says good movies calm my soul, color and your world with words. Words are life. Your paragraph text, follow your bliss, do what makes you feel alive. So these are some suggestions for your activities, and as they said, they'll be sending email or WhatsApp you with your activity details. Now let's move on to the pamper things or things we read on the back of each card. So the first one here, there is this Dadi's khakras. This is probably the day 5. There's a dark fantasy choco fill. There is this Hershey's syrup. There are 2 dark fantasy choco fills. Then we have this huge Oreo Cadbury dipped Oreo cookie kind of thing. Definitely happy, excited to try that. There's this green coffee classic strong flavor. The munch nuts variant. There are so many chocolates. I'm already very happy. There's a lollipop and a Cambridge Tea Party premium tea. Let's push these a little bit so that we can make space for our eatables. This is the granola bar in the chocolate variant, and there's this Chai Point ginger black tea, and we still have 1 pouch left. We have a small Kit Kat. There is a cookie cake, mini cookie cake, a bounty chocolate with the coconut fills, 1 Hajmola, a Galaxy chocolate, and finally this chamomile mint citrus green tea. I really like mint tea and chamomile flavors of green tea, so I'm again happy with this. So these are all the products. My camera frame is completely filled with all these eatables and I'm already feeling like grabbing onto some of these, but I always save these for those times. I'll probably have a couple of them, but this is the best thing to receive during periods. I really love having this box with me during my periods every month. First of all, I don't have to think about my sanitary supplies every month. I know that it's going to come with my Care Bear box, and then it comes with so much of love and happiness. Like, I'm a foodie, I love receiving these things, and I'm so cranky and I don't feel so well during those days, and having this with me definitely makes me more sane and makes me feel better about myself. And during those days, I just cuddle in my bed inside my blanket watching Netflix and munching on these, having these teas or having the chocolates. It really makes me feel better. So this is the only period subscription box that I have loved so far. I really like it, and I would definitely suggest it to everybody. It's affordably priced. It's a great gifting option for your sister or your mom or for your girlfriend. It shows how much you care for them, and even for yourself. If you can, then definitely love yourself enough to gift yourself such things. You do deserve it. Well, if you are not aware already, this is priced at $4.99 including shipping per month. But if you go for longer subscriptions, there are different offers. First of all, there is a coupon code which is YTSNM4, using which you'll get a 7.5% instant discount and 2.5% cash back. This is applicable on all 6 and 12-month subscriptions. So I'm writing the coupon code on the screen for you all. There's another offer as well. If you don't want to go for such long subscription, then you can go for 3-month subscription also, and then also you'll get a Be Safe toilet seat sanitizer free. If you like this box and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I'll leave the website link and all these coupon details, everything there. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.